Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove Passkey from your TikTok account. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. On my previous video, I've shown you how to remove and how to add Passkey to secure your TikTok account. But now, what if you want to remove it? You want to remove the Passkey from your TikTok account. It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. I will show you first how to set up. You can go to your profile. You can go to settings by tapping on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Choose settings and privacy. From here, you can go to account. To set up Passkey, you can set up in here. I've shown you before how to do it. To remove it, it's very simple. So you can open your browser. For example, it's Chrome. You can open Chrome. Now you can go to here, up right corner, the three dots over here. Now you can select on settings. You can scroll down. Now from here, you can check Google Password Manager. And you can see for TikTok. If you can't find it, the TikTok, you can change the email using the email that you use for your TikTok account. This one. Now you can check the TikTok. Now you can see it's TikTok in here. You can enter. So here's your passkey. You created a passkey to sign in. If you delete this passkey, you can't use this device to sign in. Now you can just delete it. Delete passkey for TikTok. Now you can tap on delete. So now you have removed that passkey from your TikTok account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to remove passkeys on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.